"Sir, I'm sorry, but you can't go inside without a helmet and a safety vest." The man looked at him with slight amusement. "Do you know who I am? I own this entire project." For a brief second, the worker felt nervous, but he didn't move aside. "Sir, with all respect, safety rules apply to everyone. Accidents don't care about titles." The man paused, studying him carefully. Then he gave a small nod, took the helmet and vest, and put them on. "Good," he said quietly. "You take your job seriously." The worker opened the gate. Just a few minutes later, outside the site, an elderly woman tripped on the uneven pavement. Her grocery bags fell, and items rolled across the ground. The worker rushed over immediately. "Ma'am, are you all right?" he asked gently. He helped her stand, gathered her groceries, and walked her to the nearby bus stop so she wouldn't have to struggle alone. From a distance, the project owner had witnessed everything. Later that afternoon, inside the site office, the owner turned to the project manager. "That young man at the gate, who is he?" The manager hesitated. "Sir, he's new here. But he's not just a laborer. He used to be a successful structural engineer. He had his own firm." The owner looked surprised. "What happened?" "His daughter became critically ill. The medical bills were overwhelming. Insurance refused to cover the treatment. He sold his company, his house, everything. Now, he works here to pay for her care." The owner stood up immediately. "Bring him to me." Moments later, the worker entered the office, holding his helmet in his hands. "Sir, if I was disrespectful earlier, I apologize." "You weren't," the owner replied calmly. "You were responsible." He placed a document on the desk. "You have the education and experience of an engineer. Starting today, you won't be guarding the gate. You'll be our lead safety engineer, with full medical benefits." The worker froze in disbelief. "For your daughter," the owner added softly. "No parent should fight alone." Tears filled the worker's eyes, not from sadness, but from relief. Sometimes integrity doesn't just protect others, it changes your own life.